Do you have any memorable stories or kind of first impressions of when you walked onto set that first day?
Well, my first day was kind of unremarkable because it was sort of, we just shot, I think my first day we were shooting downstairs in the hotel, so I didn't even have to leave the hotel. So that wasn't the most memorable for me the first day.
It sounds relaxing though.
It was kind of relaxing. I think I kept my slippers on the whole time. And I'm not even sure that scene actually appears in the movie. So that's kind of a write-off. Sorry. Bad answer.
No. Every answer is a good answer. So imagine you get sucked into a mission like of this nature. Who's the first person that you're texting to help you out?
It's an actual mission, an actual spy mission?
Kind of the same, like you're essentially, who would you want to be paired up with in a Mr. and Mrs. Smith situation?
Oh, if I were making a show and I had to be paired up with somebody, I've been asked this actually, Dana Delaney.
Excellent. I love that answer.
My old friend.
And kind of along that rabbit trail of being a spy, what would be your best spy quality, you say?
My best spy quality would be that nobody would ever suspect that I'm a spy. I might be a spy, actually. You wouldn't know.
That's exactly what a spy who may or may not be a spy would say.
Right.
I love that. Well, thank you so much. Congrats on the show.
You.
It was nice to meet you.
And you.